In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text to uppercase in Microsoft Word. Whether you're transforming a short paragraph or an entire document, using uppercase can help emphasize specific sections or titles, or simply create a bold, clean look. This feature is quite handy, and fortunately, it's straightforward to use. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Word document. You can do this by locating your file on your computer and double-clicking on it, which will launch Word and load your document. If you don't have Word open, you'll find it helpful to ensure your software is up to date to avoid any unnecessary glitches. Once your document is open, take a look at the text you want to change. Click and drag your mouse over the text to select it. You'll notice the text becomes highlighted, indicating that it's ready for editing. Selecting your text accurately is crucial. It ensures that only the desired words are modified, leaving the rest of your document unchanged. Now, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of your screen. You want to find the Home tab, which is typically the first option. The Home tab acts as a hub for many essential Word tools, and it's where we'll find everything needed for our task today. After clicking on the Home tab, you'll see several grouped sections of tools. Focus on the one labeled Font. It's usually located on the left side of the window. Within the Font group, you'll notice a button labeled Change Case. This button looks like a letter A paired with a smaller a. Go ahead and click on the Change Case button. A drop-down menu will appear, showing a variety of case options, including sentence case, lowercase, and uppercase, among others. For today's task, we're interested in switching your selected text to uppercase. So, from this menu, simply click on Uppercase. Once you've selected uppercase, watch your text change instantly to all capital letters, without altering the font size or style. It's as simple as that. This method ensures your text is clear and stands out as required. Remember, this function is particularly useful for headings or making a word pop, but should be used carefully. Overuse of all caps can lead to a document that feels overwhelming or comes off as aggressive in tone. So, it's best to apply it selectively for emphasis or stylistic purposes. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the text to uppercase in Microsoft Word. This tip can really transform the appearance of your documents, making sections more pronounced and clear. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Word effectively.